Today I'm unboxing a Lumenfly mini drone. Does this label have a bit of a Zhenjiang vibe? I bought this 2 days ago. It premiered on the live stream. Now let's unbox it. Oh, I just saw this label. Wait, isn't this the thing I was thinking of? This drone, it should have some connection to DJI, so I specifically bought it to conduct an experiment. Looking at the packaging is full of DJI's signature style again. The top compartment is for the remote control and the bottom is for the drone itself. Now, let's take out the main unit and see its true colors. The blue exterior and feel are quite good. This isn't something a small factory could produce. This gimbal is the same as the Mini 2, though its lens is a bit larger. The Mini 2's is smaller. The way the arms fold is identical to the Mini 3 and Mini 4, and the battery is also extremely similar. Its buttons, ports, and the layout of these visual modules are basically the same as the Mini 3 and Mini 4. Now let's take another look at its accessories. We have a pair of propeller blades and a small screwdriver. As for this data cable, should I even bother installing it? No, I'm not going to install this cable either. I'll just toss it aside. And finally, let's check out the remote control. The tactile feel of this remote control is quite plasticky, not as good as DJI's remote. Turning it on, turning it off, well, I didn't hear the sound I was expecting. The button layout on this remote is also different from DJI's, but the general placement is quite similar. Then I want to try DJI's quick binding method to see if it will activate. Oh wow, it really can be activated. The remote control has successfully entered pairing mode. Let's set this remote control aside for a minute. Then we'll take a closer look at the main unit. It won't turn on, just as I expected. It's inherited that fine tradition of needing a charge to activate. I'll just plug it in. Now turning it on. The way to power it up is the same as with DJI. After the ESC self-check, I still didn't hear the sound I was hoping for. But regarding this sound, the startup music definitely has a lot of room for improvement. When the remote control wasn't paired, it was a slow yellow flash. Now that it's paired, it's a slow red flash because the battery is dead. So now I'm going to charge it, and after it's fully charged, we'll activate it and take it for a test flight. Following up on the last video, we're now going to activate this Lumenfly mini drone. Having worked in this industry for so many years, seeing this interface and the entire operational process, I honestly already consider it a DJI drone. All of these things, including the upgrade interface, are exactly the same. There's absolutely no difference. Let's not upgrade for now. First, we'll enter the main page and take a look at what's inside. When I look at this interface, I honestly can't figure out what makes it different from DJI Fly. The way its information is presented on screen and the operational style of its sub-menus are, I would say, completely indistinguishable from DJI Fly. Even this self-check page is completely identical. Now I'll take this little drone outside for its very first test flight. I'll just operate it directly, following the standard DJI operating methods. There really shouldn't be any significant difference in how it performs.
The obstacle avoidance prompt sound and the display interface for obstacle avoidance are all the same.
Your return point has been updated. Please note the home position.
What a familiar sound that is. The one-touch takeoff feature is also done in the very same way. And this little drone doesn't have any onboard memory, so you'll need to insert an SD card separately. That's why it will display a no SD card message, which is exactly the same as with the Mini 3 and Mini 2. In the next episode, I'm going to take it completely apart to see what differences there are in its motherboard, chip and lens.